Hello everyone. In our last video, we learned how to achieve a soft turn and we have made a program to draw a circle. In this video, let's make a program to draw the sign of infinity or the figure of 8. If I join these two circles, I will get a figure of 8. That means a figure of 8 or sign of infinity is actually made up of two circles like this, and we draw like this. When I draw 8, I draw like this, a circle, and from here another circle. So if I see this circle, I'm going anti-clockwise, and this is a clockwise circle. Two circles in opposite direction. In our last video, we learned how to draw circle. Curious mind, set up vehicle, then we start with vehicle forward. We gave differential speeds. We gave a speed of 180 to the right motor, and we know if the right motor speed is less, then it is going to turn towards right. So let's say if my vehicle is looking left, then it is going to make a circle like this, a clockwise circle. Okay, and then when I reach here, I need to start drawing anti-clockwise circle, which means I need to change the speeds. So let's first make this circle. We saw that for me it takes 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, I will start drawing in opposite direction, which means this speed will be 180 and this will be 255. That will make the opposite direction circle. And then finally, we will stop vehicle. And this will make the figure of 8 or the sign of infinity. We need to understand again that whichever speed is less, we are going to turn on that side. So right speed less, the first will be turn right, and left speed is less, then turn left. Let's now draw another pattern. Let's draw a sine wave. So I'll just detach it. Sine wave is I go from here, I turn and I reach here, and from here I start the opposite direction. So actually what I'm making is I'm making half turn and then again half turn. So half turn means only 4 seconds. And then again half turn means another 4 seconds. This is going to make one pulse. And if I want to make, let's say 2, 3, then I will use repeat. So let me make 2. And after the 2 pulses are over, I will stop. So in this case, what we did is we just did half a circle and we started rotating in other direction. And that makes a sine wave.